A fabulous food experience need not be a three-course meal. Meet Max McCalman, North America's only maître fromager. In other words, a cheese whiz. Picholine is a three-star French Mediterranean restaurant tucked away near Lincoln Center with what is called the finest cheese board in America. An international array of 50 selections.
French, of course, British, Irish, American, Spanish, Italian, Swiss, Belgian.
Max is a man with a mission.
To save artisan cheese and to try to help people overcome their fear of cheese.
It is with pride Max promotes his symphony of cheeses.
From the mildest to the raunchiest, to the strongest, to the smelliest cheese.
All to please the sophisticated palate.